Tube openings are sealed and smoothed by induction heating, ensuring durability. Hay baling and packaging are streamlined for quick transportation and storage. Blanket packaging and shipping are streamlined with compact boxing techniques. Gentle harvesting of dried sunflowers is done by a tractor with a multi-headed attachment. Crop planting is revolutionized with an automatic multi-arm planting device. Artistic drilling and coring transform river rocks into elegant vases. Fabric layers are cut simultaneously in a garment factory for efficient production. Witness the rapid efficiency of train track switching mechanisms. Flip-flops take shape as rubber is kneaded, heated, and molded in a footwear factory. Long metal tubes are quickly transformed from cylindrical to rectangular shapes. Ladles are formed under the powerful strikes of a factory shaping tool. Custom-shaped metal cookie cutters are crafted by an assembly of precision tools. Heavy cement bags are moved with ease using an overhead grabbing tool. A bricklaying system automatically organizes and paves walkways with minimal human intervention. The hammerhead is firmly fixed to its shaft using a hydraulic press. A machine equipped with a powerful, razor-sharp blade slices through thick steel logs effortlessly. Barrels are shaved, straightened, and prepared for recycling and repurposing. Heated liquid metal is formed and then pulled from a device to produce slender metallic threads. Watch as this man effortlessly transports 6 large water bottles up the stairs with ease. Ever wonder how waist ties are threaded? This automated car washing system cleans vehicles without the need for human intervention. This is how chess pieces are meticulously crafted with precision. Watch the mesmerizing magic of how bottles are capped with precision and flair. Watching metal bend and shape so smoothly is incredibly satisfying. Watch as this large tape roll is expertly divided into many smaller ones. Save time and effort by tossing your potato peels into this peeler machine, which peels them all at once as they rotate, instead of peeling them one by one. Observe this master welder seamlessly joining 2 metal sheets. Check out this CNC machine's divine precision, it's so accurate. A hydraulic rotary cutter for an excavator is used for grinding hard materials. A machine molds warm rubber into large pots for plants. A machine shapes flattened dough into round spheres for pastries. Carbon steel is extensively used for bending in construction and component manufacturing.